This is your reading for today. Your cards are Page of Cups and Justice. Sometimes when, people don't step up to your level and you are tired of waiting and you're tired of the stories in your head and you just want clarity over here, but there is a fear, there is a nostalgia, there is this shared memories which keep pulling you back, and the voices keep pulling you back, right? So sometimes the best thing to do is, to just take accountability for your role in the situation and just move ahead. It does not even mean that, you have to block the other person, cut out the other person. No, it's just that you have to move ahead of your own limiting stories. Many a times we are often thinking about the immaturity from the other side, right? But sometimes we also have to take accountability for the fact that we turned our back on ourselves and the role of our expectations and needs in the situation, right? And we kind of kept looking for balance when perhaps we were the one who needed to create some more balance over here, right? Now, you are coming to this understanding, and you are coming to this understanding that perhaps, there were some demons inside me that I had to tame, and I had to walk ahead from the limiting stories in my head over here. And it's just that I was just getting so overwhelmed with this constant thinking. You are coming over that. And a new beginning is coming to you because you are coming over that. Okay? Don't be so worried about what the other person said, what the other person did. Are they talking? Are they not talking? I mean, really take charge of your life and build your long-term vision over here. If the other person has to step up and come to your level, they will. If they want to remain trapped in self-doubt, no amount of what you do is ever going to change the story over here. But a new beginning is coming to you. It's like, it's a beginning which could come with a lot of challenges also, but it is a beginning that has been in the making. It will take you somewhere beautiful, steady, stable, and growth oriented. For many of you, this new beginning could come somewhere abroad, overseas, where you're traveling. And whenever there is a new beginning, and if it is challenging, the thing is that, am I looking forward to waking up tomorrow and getting into this challenge and looking at the excitement? That is the kind of a new beginning, a new investment, a new business, which is coming to lift you out of this space that you've put in and put you in a place of stability, going out, meeting people, networking, enjoying.